Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a fuel pump. First, prioritize safety by parking your truck on a level surface and setting the parking brake. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any accidental sparks. Next, you must depressurize the fuel system. Typically, this involves locating and pressing the fuel pump inertia switch. Finally, ensure your fuel tank is as empty as possible, ideally with 1/4 tank of fuel or less, to reduce weight and spill risk. Now let's get to the pump. Safely lift your truck using a car lift or robust jack stands, ensuring it's stable. Place 2 floor jacks with soft padding underneath the fuel tank to support its weight. Disconnect the fuel filler neck and any other vent hoses attached to the tank. Then, remove the bolts securing the fuel tank straps and slowly lower the tank, being mindful of remaining connections. With the tank lowered, you can now access the fuel pump module. Disconnect the electrical connector and all fuel lines from the top of the module, being ready for minor fuel drips. Thoroughly clean the area around the pump to prevent any dirt from entering the tank. Use a specialized lock ring tool or a brass punch and hammer to carefully loosen and remove the retaining ring. Then, gently lift out the old pump and install the new assembly, ensuring the new O-ring is properly seated. For the final steps, reconnect all fuel lines and the electrical harness to your new fuel pump, ensuring each connection is secure. Carefully raise the fuel tank back into its original position, securing it with the straps and bolts. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Before starting the engine, prime the fuel system by turning the ignition key to the on position for 2 to 3 seconds, then off. Repeating this process at least 3 to 4 times to build pressure and remove air.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.